So it's now pretty much inevitable, meaning that no amount of bad mind and obia and evilous thoughts can stop Liverpool from winning the EPL title. The restart is no days away. And even if they start, and God forbid, something goes wrong, and they have to stop the league again, by that time, we should be able to get the 6 points to take us to mathematical safety. And surely, not even the bitterest of rivals could begrudge Liverpool the EPL title this season. If you find yourself in that category, you're going to have to live with the misery and the pain. And next thing, as it relates to Liverpool going forward into next season and beyond, even if we win the league by 25 points, I still think Liverpool needs some more depth, i.e. a better bench, including some more creative options going forward. We're hearing speculations about us signing Tino Werner and probably Koulibaly and even Mbappe. I say sign them all, or as much of them as possible. Remember now, the use of the word need is relative to the stated objectives of the user. So with a stated objective of Liverpool remaining consistent contenders for the Premier League and the European Champions League titles, then we need these additions to improve the squad. Not want. We need more quality in the squad. That was just a little English lesson to close out the evening. End of class.